Welcome, in this video we will see history of Wi-Fi and its vulnerabilities. In 1985, the Federal Communication Commission released 3 bands of radio spectrum, that is 900 MHz, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. These frequencies were open to operate as license-free. Many consumer electronics began to use them, from walkie-talkies to baby monitors. Shortly after this, in 90s, the IEEE, that is Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, and the Wi-Fi Alliance were formed to help regulate these newly open frequencies and develop wireless technology. The IEEE and Wi-Fi Alliance soon saw a need to set standard of protocols to be released so that the many wireless devices could be manufactured to talk with each other. To do this, they came up with 802.11 wireless standard. Before this, manufacturer built proprietary standard that only worked with their own products. The first IEEE 802.11 standard was released in June 1997 and transferred data at the speed of 2 Mbps in the 2.4 GHz band. In 1999, the IEEE released the 802.11a and 802.11b standards that were for many years the main standard used in Wi-Fi. (802.11a) operated in 5 GHz band, while 802.11b operated in 2.4 GHz. 802.11a could transmit data at 54 Mbps, while 802.11b moved data at 11 Mbps. During this time, wireless router began to be used in many homes. To encrypt these routers, the IEEE used an authentication called WEP, Wired Equivalent Privacy. Soon in 2001, 3 researchers at Berkeley found flaws in RC4 encryption that WEP used. They released a paper called Security of WEP Algorithm, which showed its many faults. After release of the paper, programs were written to take advantage of flaws and widely shared on the internet. This made WEP open to attacks, as many software to hack WEP were available. To fight this, in 2003, the Wi-Fi Alliance announced the WPA followed by WPA2, which both use AES Advanced Encryption Standard instead of RC4 encryption algorithm. 2003 also saw the introduction of 802.11g, which worked in 2.4 GHz range and could transmit at 54 Mbps. 802.11n was released in 2009, often called Wireless N. It could transfer at speed up to 300 Mbps. Over the years, the 2.4 GHz band had quickly becoming crowded. To fix this problem and plan for the future, the IEEE created 802.11n to work in both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz range. (802.11ac), often called Gigabyte Wi-Fi, was released in December 2013 and works only with 5 GHz band. It can transfer data at maximum speed of more than 3 Gbps. WPA and WPA2 still use AES as main encryption for Wi-Fi. In 2007, an extension was added onto Wi-Fi called WPS, that is Wi-Fi Protected Setup. It was created to allow users to set up and connect to a router more easily. A serious flaw was found in WPS that would allow an attacker to brute force the WPS pins used as exchange mechanism. Up to 11,000 pins are used by WPS as security. It was quickly discovered that 11,000 pin can be brute forced, attacked within 2 to 10 hours with a good signal. Programs such as Reaver take advantage of this and are very successful at attacking a router when WPS is enabled, which we will see in this course. Almost all homes and offices use WPA with WPS, so one can easily hack them using Reaver. So in this course we will see all hacking methods from hacking WEP to WPA with WPS. So that's all in history of Wi-Fi and its vulnerabilities. Thank you for watching this video.